Okay, today is Tuesday, October 5th, 2021. We're at 38123 James Drive. As you can see here, we're at a stack base. We do have a 6-inch centering guide on. We're going to do a televise and record of the sewer. The sewer has been jetted. There's several areas that have problems. Right now we're going to try and see if we can push through the cast iron with this 6-inch centering guide, as we want to get a better look at some of the clay tile. This is the closest accessible cleanout that we have to work through. As you can see, we have several offsets. We may not be able to push the centering guide through the 6-inch. We may have to go down to a 4. Okay, you can see we got through the first offset. Okay, here you can see this is our transition area. This has a 45 in it. We are going to go ahead and televise all the way out. Then as we pull back, we will locate several areas and flag out in the yard. Okay, as you can see here, we are basically dropping in what looks to be the top of the sewer. We're going to pull back slightly here. And you're going to see we do have some cracking up around the 11 o'clock position on this piece that's going into the main. Also, you can see down on the right hand side around the 4 o'clock. You can also see that we have a circumferential crack going around. You can see here we do have a little bit of root infiltration still in this area due to the cracking. This may have been an area that was a little bit harder to clean. We are going to go ahead pull back at this time. We are going to locate the 45 in the middle. We're also going to locate where the transition is in the yard to try and see if we can come up with a permanent solution. Okay, we have located this. Currently we have it located approximately 9 foot down under the driveway. We're going to pull back to the first 45 to try and locate the transition, and also see if we can get a feel for the direction of the sewer. We might also push back out to this point and relocate again, possibly push a little ways downstream, just to make sure of our locations, to help determine options that would be available for repair of the sewer. We will pause our recording, or also possibly attempt to locate the areas where we have the real heavy root infiltration. Okay, we're going to pause here to locate as well. Okay, we have located this just outside of the landscaping, down approximately 9 feet. We are going to push in a little ways here and attempt to get a second location. We want to track the sewer. We've marked the second 45, which, as you've seen, was in the, as we noted, was in the driveway. So we want to kind of track the sewer here, and then we will push a ways beyond the second 45 under the driveway, just to get an idea of the direction it stays. Then there is a manhole across the street. We will also run a wheel to get a rough measurement off the manhole so we can call and confirm a tap location. Okay, we've located this. This is about 5 feet short of the circular part of the driveway. We're going to put 3 tape marks on our push rod right here. We believe that this is possibly an area where we could dig up about 10 feet of pipe, replace it, and then install a 6-inch outside cleanout, and from that point possibly do a liner that would be an outside installation from here, and then possibly also clean the tap, and at that point push in a 4-foot stint to cover the tap, and then line over. We will go ahead and push out past the second 45 little ways, again, just to get a mark on that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and push out now past the 45 the next 45 out, maybe 10 or 15 feet, and see if we can locate the line under the driveway, and also kind of give us a line to where the sewer is headed, so we can get a measurement off of the manhole for a possible tap location as well. Okay, we have located this. The sewer after the second 45 does run down the driveway. We did take a measurement from the manhole to this approximate location across the street. It's approximately 53 feet, would be 53 feet upstream of the downstream manhole. We are going to go ahead at this time and pull back. We have marked the sewer in the lawn area. It would be approximately close to about 10 to 15 feet of pipe that we would replace, and it would take care of the area with heavy root infiltration. Would definitely be short of this 45, which is located under the driveway. Did put a tape mark on our push rod here. I believe we made 3 tape marks where we think the approximate start of a liner would be after we replace piping and install an outside cleanout. So we would have an area to install the liner through. It's going through the stack base here. Would not allow us the room. Right about here would be roughly where we figure the start of the liner to be. We do have measurements that we can take to try and get an idea of what the length of the liner would be. Again, you can see we'd be eliminating these 2 areas right here that have the heavier root infiltration. We would be able to get back to this area right here. Now we're going to be pulling back through the cast. It may not be easy to do due to the 6-inch centering guide that we were running to give us the best look at the condition of the clay tile. Also note that if we did the installation of the cleanout, we would like to install a stint right at the main to go ahead and seal the main, and also the cracks that you've seen that were right at the tap. Again, this is the end of our video work for today.